EU to force Apple devices to switch to USB Type-C from Lightning ports. The plan, referred to as a directive, would require all consumer electronics manufacturers selling devices in Europe to have a USB-C connector on all smartphones, tablets, cameras, headphones, portable speakers, and handheld gaming consoles. This universal port would be a world first, affecting Apple in particular because many of its devices use the Lightning connector rather than USB-C. The European Commission attempted to reach a final resolution on the matter in 2018, but it did not become law. Apple cautioned at the time that mandating the industry to use a single charging connection would hinder innovation and result in electrical waste as consumers were forced to convert to new cables. According to a research done by the European Commission in 2019, half of all charging cords marketed with mobile phones had a USB micro-B connector, 29% had a USB-C connector, and 21% had a Lightning connector. The new order is supposed to provide environmental benefits, less waste, simplicity, and $293 million in annual savings for users. We remain concerned that rigid regulation mandating only one type of connector stifles innovation rather than fostering it, which would hurt customers in Europe and around the world, Apple said in a statement shared by Reuters. The corporation also expressed reservations about the anticipated 2-year USB-C transition time. Before it may become law, the directive must be approved by the European Parliament and national governments, who may propose revisions. The European Commission anticipates this happening in 2022. Companies will have 2 years from that point to migrate their gadgets to USB-C.